Welcome to my crochet world, and today I want to share with you my new AliExpress haul. If you like this format of video, please let me know in comments, and let's go. Let's start with this ASMR video will be. Let's start with this pearl handbag strap. I bought it for my new black bag. I bought white strap, but you can choose any color. You can cut it and it will be 2 straps, for example. But I want to try use it like one handbag strap. I like these things. It's easy to open. I will use it in my new black bag and share this video with you. The next one item which I really like it, these scissors. It's a retro scissors in vintage style. I think it's made of high quality stainless steel. There are very comfortable hand feel and attractive appearance, in my opinion. I like it. I bought them twice, for me and for my mom. She chose another design, but in vintage and retro style too. I like it very much. Move on to the next AliExpress haul. The next item which I really like it because I bought it 11 times and it's the best one of all this set. It is the bottom for my bag, but not only bottom, it's the set for bag. It's the whole set for bag. It contains leather bottom, flap cover, of course laser strap, and additional details such as lock. And why I could recommend it? I recommend this set because it's very high quality. I think it's not natural instant leather, but it looks very interesting and I will use it in my bag. And I want to buy in bag color and maybe in white. Move on to the next item. The next from AliExpress, it's a cotton rope. It's rope 3 millimeters, 100 meters. I bought it the second time, or I don't know. I tried and I like it. It's macrame rope. You can use it rope for tablecloth or some interesting interior designers things. I want to try this rope for string bag. I'm fan of different eco bags, string bags, and I think it's very raw color. And if you want, I share links in description, share with you, and you can find it on AliExpress and try it yourself. And move on to the next one. The next recommendation is wooden round beads. I bought it in different sizes, 30 millimeters and 25 millimeters. I use it in my baskets cover. I share with you these photos. Here I used 40 or 45 millimeters, and I think it's very high quality in AliExpress. And I want to buy from this seller gray stone, or how to say, gray stone lava beads, something like that. I add this photo for you. And I want to try marble stone beads, something like that. Here photo. And I want to use it like strap for, like short strap for bag. And today that's all. I share with you my 5 AliExpress hauls, which I could recommend you. Share please with me in comments your AliExpress haul, your favorite items, which I need to buy and to try. See you in the next new videos, and keep in touch, subscribe, and see you later in new videos. Bye!